Hey guys, it's Joanna here. A lot of you have been asking me what is my strength training routine when I work out in the gym. So, I work out in Anytime Fitness and I'm going to share with you what I do on a total body workout day. Let's get started. We want to work on the entire body, your legs, back, chest, triceps and also abs. Start by performing each of the exercises for 15 to 20 repetitions and aim for 3 to 4 sets with 30 to 60 seconds rest in between. Let's start by working on the biggest muscle, our legs. White Smith machine squat. This machine targets your glutes, inner thighs, hamstrings and quads. Begin by setting the bar to your shoulder height and load the weight appropriate to you. So start with 10 to 15 kilos on each side. Position yourself right in the center with the bar rested on your shoulders, not your neck. Grip the bar firmly with your palms facing forward. Stand in a wide stance, your knees and toes pointed outwards. As you inhale, bend your knees to lower yourself until your thighs are parallel to the floor in a slow and controlled manner. Your back should be flat, chest open. Your knees should not go over your toes with your butt pushed back slightly. The weight should be on your heels, not your toes. Exhale, push up through the heels to raise the bar back to the starting position. Do not push up by raising your shoulders. Your upper body should remain stationary with the movements coming only from your legs. Next leg workout, walking lunges. This is a love-hate relationship. It is not an easy workout, but it sure is effective to work on the entire leg muscles, your core and also hip flexors. Stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding the dumbbells in your hands. Choose a weight that's between 4 to 8 kilos each. Take a large step forward with one leg and lower your body toward the floor. Both legs should be bent at a 90-degree angle at the bottom of the lunge. As you exhale, drive through the heel of your front foot to raise yourself back up and immediately take a wide step forward with the back leg. It is very important to make sure that you engage your core throughout the exercise to keep your back straight, chest open and look forward. Do not hunch, lean forward, sway your body or look down. Keep the upper torso as stationary as possible. Now let's move on to work on our back muscles. Lat Pulldown. This machine works on your lats, or I like to call it your wings. Hold the bar in a wide grip, chest upwards, back slightly arched and feet firmly on the floor. As you exhale, pull the bar down towards your chest. Squeeze your shoulder blades together for 1 count and feel the contraction on your lats. Inhale and slowly release the bar back to starting position. Arms fully extended and lats are fully stretched. Repeat. Avoid swinging your body back and forth. The upper torso should remain stationary and the movement should only come from your forearms. Seated cable row. This workout focuses more on the mid-back muscles. Sit and place your feet firmly on the front platform. Keep your knees soft and slightly bent. Hold the handles firmly, keeping your upper body in a neutral position and elbows slightly bent. As you exhale, pull the handles toward your torso and focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together. Your back should be slightly arched and your chest should be sticking out. Keep your elbows pointed back and close to your body. Do not spread your elbows out to the sides. Squeeze your mid-back muscles and hold the contraction for 1 count. And slowly release back to starting position. And repeat. Again, avoid moving your entire body. The only movement should be from your arms. Now let's work on the opposite muscles, which will be our chest. Let's start with Dumbbell Fly. This is a great exercise not just to work on your chest muscles, but to also work on your stability and mobility in your joints. Lie down on a flat bench, feet firmly on the floor, a dumbbell in each hand directly above your chest, palms facing each other. You can start with 3 to 5 kilos each. Inhale and lower the dumbbells to the sides in a slow and controlled manner until about chest level. As you exhale, squeeze and engage your pecs together to bring the dumbbells back up and rotate your wrist to to face you. This rotation on the wrists will help you to engage your chest muscles even more. Do not lock your elbows. Keep a slight bend in your elbows throughout. The dumbbells should always be at chest level, not too high or not too low. The next chest exercise is my favorite, low cable crossover. You don't have to lift heavy at all for this workout. Start with the lightest weight, which is about 5 kilos each. Start with 2 pulleys set at the bottom position. Grab the handles and step forward until there's enough tension in the pulleys. Your arms should be at about a 30-degree angle from your sides. Palms facing forward, arms straight with a slight bend at the elbows. As you exhale, contract your upper chest to pull your arms up and together until they are at about shoulder level, palms facing up. Inhale and slowly release to starting position. The movement should be coming from your arms by engaging your chest muscles. Your entire body should remain as still as possible. Let's move on and work on the smaller muscles, our triceps. If regular tricep dip doesn't challenge you enough, try doing it on the bar. I love this workout. It makes me feel strong and toned. Grip the bar handles with your palms facing each other. Keep your legs together and knees bent. In a slow and controlled manner, lower your body into a dip until your elbows are bent at a 90-degree angle. Exhale, engage your triceps to push yourself back up and repeat. Your elbows should be close to your sides and pointed back. Do not spread them open. Engage your core to maintain an upright torso and avoid swinging your body forward or back. You should feel your triceps, shoulders, and also chest. And the final exercise is to work on your core. Full extension. Begin by lying on your back with your arms extended overhead and legs extended out. I'm using a 5 kilo weight to add more intensity. As you breathe out, curl up, bringing your knees to the chest. As you lift your shoulders off the floor, bring the plate towards your ankles. Breathe in, extend your arms and legs straight out back into starting position. And repeat. Do not use momentum to propel yourself up. Engage your core and control the movements of your legs and arms. Beginners, you can start without any weights. These are 8 total body exercises I like to do in the gym to get a solid strength training session. So the next time you hit the gym, be sure to do these exercises and follow the tips. Remember, proper form is extremely important to target and work on the right muscles. Start with a weight you're comfortable with, and as you progress, challenge yourself by lifting heavier, go with more reps, and reduce your rest time. Do these exercises at least 2 to 3 times weekly, and you can combine it with my other HIIT workout or cardio videos right here. Don't forget to like this video, share this video on, and hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet done it for a lot more workout videos, fitness tips, nutritional tips, and healthy and delicious recipes. All the best!